turn. I'm up.
Yeah. Creatively combining these letter cities words. I'm a fiend for the birds. For the birds. Brother shipping off that work. Got it popping off the Norco. Little bro behind bars. I'm just playing with the cards. I was down. No one cared how I felt. Now I'm popping this with no help. Humble thyself. Get that wealth.
That's when I realized, oh, you gotta stop doing that shit.
Alright, so what happened?
So what had happened was I went to a major tire company and had them mount these tires, and I asked them to sell me some lug nuts. Well, they sold me the wrong one, and when I got home, I basically stripped them out.
Yeah, so there was like a little bevel, and there we go. You can see it right there. It's actually a piece of a lug nut. It's like a small collar, and that is stuck in between the wheel and the stud. So that's a better picture right there. The wheel with all lugs removed, it will not move. And this one was the only, and there you go, the only clean one. You can see a gap all the way around. It's yeah. This is what they sold them. You can see this collar. You would think, okay, I'll go ahead and put these on, torque it down, whatever. But what happened is that they didn't torque down. The metal was soft and compressed, and that collar, you can see, is stuck in between the wheel and the stud. What he needed was a set of these. You can see right here, it has a little caved into it. So what happened is that is stuck, and then now, no matter what we do, or what we try to do in the past, is that wheel will not come off. So at this point, we don't care about the wheel. Alright, so that's done. But if you get this in there now, you can kind of bend the wheel a little bit. So now we're just manhandling it. And turn. And that literally just happened on camera.
Shit was bull.
And there it is. There it is. All mustered up. So we'll get these guys off. We got a spare set of wheels that are gonna go in the car, but that's it. That's pretty much how we figured it out. You could probably do it an easier way, but that's pretty easy to me. Just at that point, you're kind of screwed, and there's no real saving the wheel. The only other thing that I did try before was I was actually able to push this wheel out on this stud. I was able to push the stud out, but with the metal that's holding these guys in place, you can't really do that for all 5. So if that happens to you, you're gonna just need to get a new wheel, in my opinion. So that's it.
I don't know.
And this is the carbide tip that just ate it. The bit went through 2 drills. Really, my drill just overheated, and then his was overheating a little bit. But carbide tipped Diablo, so 40% deeper if you're into that kind of stuff. So yeah, this one for the win. Get it, do it. This is what we used, and then you'll be able to get this job done.